Hi, so this is just to show how you can give feedback to the students. So I've given the feedback on this Word document, which I was trying to do when I was traveling, but I didn't do so much. Anyway, so here's the first student, Gada Al-Rubain, and here are my corrections. So this is the part that needs to be copy-pasted, okay, and I have some comments there all the way down to Kazna. So what I do is I copy-paste this one, Control C, and then I go to Grade Center, and then I go to test. This is the online writing. Just let me fix that. Sorry, you don't have to do this. I need to quickly do it. Where is it? Okay, so you go here, test 2 writing, and we find Gada Al-Rubain. So there is a Gaida, so just careful that some of these, a lot of the names are similar. Gada Al-Rubain, there she is. So all you have to do is to open this, click on her attempt, and then what you can do is just feedback to learner. This part goes here, and if you can click just a few parts here, so I make an extra comment here. I'll have to enter it for each student, and I also just drag down this. I don't think sometimes the students know this, so they need to see it. Okay. Also, you can go into the rubric and just paste it there, but actually this needs to go down. I don't know. Yeah, you can save that and then save and exit. Okay, so there's nothing, it shouldn't be anything, shouldn't be there. Otherwise, so maybe you have to do this also. Yeah, so clear the 0 as well. So I will read through the corrections and enter the grades later on today. If you could do that part, it would be great help. Thank you very much. Bye.